लास्ट क्लास में हमने माइक्रोस्कोप के बारे में पढ़ा था और आज हम टेलीस्कोप पढ़ेंगे। A telescope is an optical device which enables us to see distant objects clearly. It provides angular magnification of distant objects. There are two types of telescope. First one is refracting telescope. Second one is reflecting telescope. रिफ्रैक्टिंग टेलीस्कोप में हम दो टेलीस्कोप पढ़ेंगे। फर्स्ट वन इज एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल टेलीस्कोप, सेकंड वन इज टेरेस्ट्राइल टेलीस्कोप। और रिफ्रैक्टिंग टेलीस्कोप में हम न्यूटोनियन टेलीस्कोप पढ़ेंगे। देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल telescope. It is an optical instrument used to see heavenly objects like stars, planets, etc. The image of such a distant object formed by telescope subtend a large visual angle at eye so that objects appear quite big to the eye. Then we will talk about the construction of astronomical telescope. We are watching this diagram. According to this diagram, we can say that it consists of a long cylindrical metallic tube carrying at one end at achromatic convex lens of large focal length and large aperture, which is called object lens. At the other end of the tube is fitted a small tube which can be moved in or out in the bigger tube by the rack and pinion arrangement. At the other end of the smaller tube is fitted at a achromatic convex lens of small focal length and small aperture, which is called eyepiece. Cross wires are mounted in the smaller tube at the focus of the eyepiece. Then we talk about the working of the astronomical telescope. In the figure shown, the object lens O and the eyepiece E of the telescope. AB is the distant objects whose end A is on the axis of the telescope. The lens O form a small real and inverted image A-B- at its second focus F0. This image lies inside the first focus Fe- of the eyepiece lens E and acts as an object for the eyepiece, which forms a virtual erect with respect to A-B- and magnified final image A-B' to find the position of B'. Two dotted rays are taken from B'. One ray which passes through the optical center E goes straight and the second ray which is take parallel to the principal axis goes after refraction through the second focus Fe of eyepiece lens. The two refracted rays when produced backward meet at B'. Then we talk about the magnifying power of astronomical telescope. We know that magnifying power m is equal to angle subtended by the final image at I upon angle subtended by object at I. In this diagram जो एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल टेलीस्कोप का रे डायग्राम है, अकॉर्डिंग टू रे डायग्राम वी कैन राइट दैट m इज इक्वल टू 10 बीटा अपॉन 10 अल्फा. ओके, और इस डायग्राम में हम ये देख रहे हैं कि 10 बीटा इज इक्वल टू a डैश b डैश अपॉन e a डैश एंड 10 alpha is equal to a dash b dash upon o a dash. Then m will become, then m is equal to o a dash upon e a dash, and we know that o a dash is equal to plus of f naught and e a dash is equal to minus of ue. Then magnification is equal to minus f naught upon ue. इमेज फॉर्मेशन के केस में हम दो केस देख सकते हैं कि एक बार तो इमेज लीस्ट डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट विजन पर बने और सेकंड केस में इमेज इन्फिनिटी पे बने. तो फर्स्ट केस की हम बात करें, केस 1, व्हेन इमेज इज फॉर्म एट लीस्ट डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट विजन कैपिटल डी. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू लेंस फॉर्मूला 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f, then v is equal to minus d, u is equal to minus ue, and f is equal to plus of fe. Then 1 upon ue is equal to 1 upon fe plus 1 upon d. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं कि 1 upon fe is कॉमन ले लें तो 1 plus fe upon capital D. Then magnification will become m is equal to minus f naught upon fe 1 plus fe upon capital D. In this position, the length of the telescope will be f naught plus ue. कि when image is formed at infinity, जब इमेज इन्फिनिटी पे फॉर्म हो तो ये जो रे डायग्राम है इसमें देख रहे हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट इनफाइनाइट पे रखा हुआ है और इस इनफाइनाइट पे रखे हुए ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज बन रही है ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस के फोकस पर. ठीक है, बट इस केस में ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस का जो फोकस है और आईपीस लेंस का जो फोकस है दोनों कॉन्साइड कर रहे हैं, तभी जो फाइनल इमेज है इन्फिनिटी पर फॉर्म होगी. हम लोगों ने मैग्निफिकेशन कैलकुलेट किया था. मैग्निफिकेशन इज इक्वल टू f naught upon ue, but in this case ue is equal to fe, then magnification is equal to minus f naught upon fe. In this position, the length of telescope will be f naught plus fe. Now we will see the difference between compound microscope and astronomical telescope. Difference between compound microscope and astronomical telescope. Then first point is objective lens has smaller focal length than eyepiece lens, but in astronomical telescope objective lens has larger focal length than eyepiece lens. Second point is the distance between objective lens and eyepiece lens is greater than f naught plus fe, and in astronomical telescope the distance between objective lens and the eyepiece lens is equal to f naught plus fe, and compound microscope is used to see very small object and astronomical telescope is used to see distant astronomical objects.